them say we can't see truth no matter how we try. Them sell we lies in a golden cup, but me spirit strong. It can't corrupt Babylon blindfold, but me still I see. Them can't change the soul, just set I free. Babylon blindfold, but me not go fall. Me rise up tall, Jaja hear me call. Hey, Jaja hear me call. Them build the city upon the blood of man. Them take the riches but them left no plan. Roots still grow where the soil been dry. The tree of life, it can't die. Jah wisdom blow like breeze upon the hill. Stand firm, hold faith, keep still. Babylon blindfold, but me still I see. Them can't change the soul, just set I free. Babylon blindfold, but me not go fall. Me rise up tall, Jaja hear me call. Hey, Jaja hear me call. Jaja hear me call. Fire burn them lies, Jah truth declare. Me step on the path where ancestors trod. Me now bow to man, me kneel to God. Chalice on the hill, it calling out my name. Fire burning strong, feeling no shame. Chalice on the hill, ease away the pain, wash away the sorrow like the tropical rain. Chalice on the hill, it calling out my name. Fire burning strong, feeling no shame. Chalice on the hill, ease away the pain, wash away the sorrow like the tropical rain. always run. One love, one heart for everyone. Our journey never truly done. Chalice on the hill, yet calling out my name. Fire burning strong, feeling no shame. Chalice on the hill, ease away the pain, wash away the sorrow like the tropical rain. Plant the seed to make the spirit flow. Her body heal a jar like fish show. Feel the vibes rise, make the blessing glow. Herb in the valley, it a call me soul. Fire burn the wicked, take back control. Herb in the valley, make the whole world old. Rise up for the healing, make the truth unfold. Me say Babylon, them blind, them can't overstand. The wisdom of the leaf, the power of the land. Me whole a meditation, me reach your hand. Them can't take the herb, it a Jah come on. Me say one draw, two draw, wisdom start for talk. Lion heart strong, when the chalice spark. Yeah, herb in the valley, it a call me soul. Fire burn the wicked, take back control. Herb in the valley, make the whole world roll. Rise up for the healing, make the truth unfold. Them fight against the bush, but it rise like the sun. Her body answer for the damage them done. The root of creation, the cure for the pain. From the mountain to the sea, it a fall like rain. It a fall like rain. Chant and pray, take the pain and stress away. Guide me heart, make it never stray. Jah bless me soul every night, every day. Oh, the lion roar, me nah go hide. Truth and right, me take as me guide. Smoke rise high, it touch the sky. Meditation deep, make my soul fly. Roots dig deep into the earth, to remind me of life's worth. Holy leaf, me chant and pray, take the pain and stress away. Jah bless me soul every night, every day. Them call it contraband, me call it peace. Oh, them say it a crime, me say it release. Oh, the only plan for the humble and wise. Me eyes open wide, me see just surprise. Grab my chalice, burn the sacred herb. Every worry, every thought disturbed. Smoke it rising to the sky so blue. Universal truth for me and you. Feel the power circulating free. Ancient roots deep inside of me. Early morning draw, pure meditation flow. Open up the door, let the good vibes grow. Jah love always true, wash away the sorrow. A fresh new point of view for a brighter tomorrow. Yeah. From the earth it comes a blessing. All the struggles start unstressing. Mind it clear now, spirit so strong. Where I truly, truly belong. Early morning draw, pure meditation flow. Open up the door, let the good vibes grow. Jah love always true, wash away the sorrow. A fresh new point of view for a brighter tomorrow. Up in the breeze, meditation rising like smoke among the trees. The herb by me guide, me compass, me key. Babylon now overstand, them blind by greed. But the Rootsman Inhalation, deep inspiration, ganja revelation, bring the motivation. Rootsman Inhalation, Jah vibration. Me chant on the rhythm, my soul start to glow. Every puff a story, the truth a overflow. From the hills to the valley, the herb make we grow. Babylon can't break, we no matter the fight. With the chalice in hand, me step in the light. Rootsman Inhalation, deep inspiration, ganja revelation, bring the motivation. Rootsman Inhalation, Jah vibration, yeah. Them say time for run, but me say time for wait. Life are the fire where you can't accelerate. Sip the tea of patience, no rush your fate. Every seed we grow, you can't force the play. Slow burn skank, me say slow burn skank. Hold the vibe steady like the roots in the land. Slow burn skank, me say slow burn skank. Wisdom rise higher when you overstand. Body that Babylon fast, but the soul moves slow. Them a chase the glitter, we a seek the glow. The higher heights come when you start below. Roots all strong, now let the breeze blow. Fire burn fi cleanse, not fire fi destroy. Meditation, I nah need no time. Slow burn skank, me say slow burn skank. All the rhythm easy, let the heartbeat plan. Slow burn skank, me say slow burn skank. Truth of the river when I dry in a this pan. Babida Babida swell. Every little word carries stories
over Trenchtown, blessing the breeze. Every puff of wisdom put your mind at ease. Hear the rhythm calling through the ancient trees. Your love always falling on our bended knees. Babylon a crumble, them system flawed. We stand up humble, guided by the Lord. From the concrete jungle, our voices pour, never gonna stumble. Our spirit adored, smoke over Trenchtown, blessing the breeze. Every puff of wisdom put your mind at ease. Hear the rhythm calling through the ancient trees. Your love always falling on our bended knees. Cleanse away the dread, walking ever lightly, guided by what we said. Resting ever frightly, keeping our own head, living uprightly, till the day we dead. Smoke over Trenchtown, blessing the breeze. Every puff of wisdom put your mind at ease. Hear the rhythm calling through the ancient trees. Your love always falling on our bended knees.
From creation day one, sun has shine so bright still. Man a search for inner light still. Whispering high grade, calling out my name. Wash away the sorrow, wash away the pain. High grade whispering sweet, sweet rhythm. Roots rocking steady, keeping a spirit within. Chalice glowing, embers, knowledge overflowing. Yeah, high grade talking, truth seeds we be sowing. Babylon them fight us down every single turn, but the fire inside us still forever burn. From the herb a bubble, sweet meditation flow. Planting up the wisdom, watch the conscious grow. High grade whispering, sweet, sweet rhythm. Roots rocking steady, keeping the spirit within. Chalice glowing, embers, knowledge overflowing. Yeah, high grade talking, truth seeds we be sowing. Some call it sin, some call it crime, but the ancient ones know it's a sacred time. Open up your mind, let the healing begin. Feel the positive vibes from deep, deep within. High grade whispering, sweet, sweet rhythm. Roots rocking steady, keeping the spirit within. Chalice glowing, embers, knowledge overflowing. Yeah, high afraid, talking truth seeds we be sowing.
I whisper truth, just say you're free. Roots them strong, like ancient tree. I and I walk, make the soul agree. Deep in the earth, the spirit decree. Zion feel breeze, I cool my mind. Lift me heart, leave Babylon behind. Zion feel breeze, a jar design. Feel it blow, make the soul alive. The sun arise, a fire upon my skin. Rivers run clear, cleanse the sin. Waves them crash, make the life begin. The ganja life, I heal within. Meditation high, you can't deny. Vision bright, like the morning sky. Zion feel breeze, I cool my mind. Lift me heart, leave Babylon behind. Zion feel breeze, a jar design. Feel it blow, make the soul alive. You blind, but just a see. Them why you lost, but just a be. Rise like lion, fi claim your key. In a Zion breeze, are we destiny?